Okay, today we are going to learn how to fold pants. Okay, here we go. All right, so when you have your pants, you take them out of the laundry, you fold them flat like this. Then you're going to take the bottom end of the pant and the top end of the pant. And you're going to fold it over like you would folding a piece of paper. And you're going to smooth it out. Next, you're going to take the end of the pants, the bottom, and you're going to fold it all the way up to the top. It's like folding paper again. If you're going to fold it on a hanger, put it on a hanger, then you can leave it like this. If you're going to put it in a drawer, you can take the bottom two, again, fold it in half, and that is it. And that is how you fold a pair of pants. Okay, happy practicing.